English long-form video script. Title: A Fresh Start. Midnight to 0:30 introduction. Visuals: a cozy room early in the morning. Soft, golden sunlight is shining through white curtains. A gentle breeze moves the leaves of a small indoor plant. The title appears on screen: A Fresh Start. Voiceover: calm, slow, and soothing tone. Welcome back to our quiet corner for learning English. Today, let's leave our worries behind and enjoy a peaceful story about new beginnings. Sit back, listen carefully to my voice, and let your heart relax. Story: Elena's New Chapter. Visuals: a young woman carrying a wooden box of books into a bright, empty room. She smiles as she looks around, then looks out a large window overlooking a small garden. Voiceover: Elena recently moved to a new, small apartment in a quiet town. For a long time, she felt stuck and tired in her old life. She decided it was time for a change. Moving was not easy. She had to pack many boxes, leave familiar streets, and say goodbye to old friends. But as she unpacks her favorite books and places them on the shelf, she feels a strange sense of peace. The room is quiet, clean, and full of possibilities. Elena realizes that a fresh start doesn't mean forgetting the past. It means giving yourself permission to try again. Lesson: the power of today. Visuals: Elena stepping outside into her small garden, watering beautiful white flowers. A gentle rain starts to fall, and she looks up at the sky, smiling. Voiceover: many of us are afraid of change. We stay in places or situations that make us unhappy because they feel safe. But just like nature changes its colors with every season, our lives need new chapters too. You don't need to change everything in one day. A fresh start can be as simple as waking up early, drinking a glass of water, and telling yourself, "Today is a new day." No matter what happened yesterday, today is a clean page, and you hold the pen. Vocabulary Spotlight. Visuals: the screen changes to a soft, minimalist pastel background. The key vocabulary words are written clearly with their meanings. Voiceover: before we finish today, let's look at 3 beautiful words from Elena's story to improve your vocabulary. Familiar, adjective: something that is well known to you. Easy to recognize because you have seen it before. Example: it is hard to leave a familiar place. Possibility: noun: a chance that something might happen or be true, a new opportunity. Example: life is full of beautiful possibilities. Permission: noun: giving yourself or someone else the right to do something. Example: give yourself permission to rest. Outro. Visuals: the camera gently moves closer to the window as the sun begins to set. Soft social media icons and a subscribe button fade in. Voiceover: thank you for sharing this peaceful moment with me today. Remember, it is never too late to start over. If you love this story, please like and subscribe for more relaxing English lessons. Take care and see you in our next video.